Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools and prioritizing safety. Make sure the device is unplugged and you have a correct fuse for the plug. Once done, cut back about 2-3 cm of the outer sheath to expose the 3 cores. Use a wire stripper to remove roughly 0.5 cm of insulation from each conductor. This creates clean copper tails for secure connections. As you strip, check for frayed strands and tidy them so they form neat, compact ends that will sit properly in the terminals. You now place each prepared conductor into its labeled terminal, brown to L, blue to N, and green/yellow to E. Make sure the conductor is pushed fully into the metal clamp so no bare wire is visible outside the terminal. This prevents shorts. Tighten screws firmly, but avoid over-torquing, which can cut strands. You want solid mechanical and electrical contact. Once tightened, tug each wire gently to confirm it won't pull free, and position the cable grip so it clamps the outer sheath, not the individual conductors. You finish by checking that all terminals are tight, the cable grip holds the sheath, then replace and secure the plug cover. Fit the appropriate fuse rating for the appliance before any live testing. Once assembled, test continuity between pins and the device, or plug into a known safe socket briefly. Listen and look for faults. If it doesn't work, first replace or check the fuse, then reopen the plug to inspect for loose wires, incorrect terminals, or hairline breaks in the conductors. These are the most common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.